Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video is a healthy recipe for dogs. Hello, she's Candy, my coton de Tulear. She has her own videos every Saturday, so stay tuned. And here I have my all ingredients and I'm going to show you, don't worry. Okay, she loves green peas and she has stolen some. She's so cute and funny. Okay, yes, we are going to need the green peas, some pasta, any kind of pasta that you have, okay? Carrot, parsley, or any fresh herb, green or white asparagus, and canned tuna in water or oil. First, let's cook the pasta. Just put the pasta to cook with water until the pasta is cooking. That's it. Very easy. Now we are going to cut a piece of carrot. We will remove the skin and we are going to grate it. Now we are going to chop the asparagus into small pieces. And we also chop the parsley. I have washed the can of tuna. And now we are going to open it. I'm going to use 1 or 2 tablespoons of tuna only. Okay, in the skillet we will add the green peas, but let me give one to my baby girl because she loves green peas. I mean, veggies. Yes, she's a vegetable lover. Okay, we will add the carrot, asparagus, parsley, and few spoons of tuna. Finally, we will add the pasta, just few pieces. Okay, we will let Candy lick the spatula a little bit. Okay, so yeah, we are ready to cook. So we are gonna cook all of this over low heat. You only have to cook the asparagus and carrot, but it doesn't take long, okay? Now let's chop the pasta and then let it cool. Serve, and here is Candy ready to eat. I'm using a teaspoon to feed Candy because it's tuna and I don't want her beard to smell like fish. My house, my rules, but I respect your rules in your house with your animals. And I'm in the living room because I'm recording for you guys today, but she usually eats in her own space. Guys, I hope you like my video. This recipe is very easy and healthy for our babies. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new, thumbs up, and follow me on my social media. See you next time. Bye-bye.